Newly launched, Le Creuset in Artichaut. From indulgent desserts and comforting casseroles to freshly baked breads and more, Le Creuset's quality bakeware ensures perfect results from the oven every time. Ideal for everything from sheet cake and lasagna to vegetables and roasts, these durable dishes feature a hard-wearing finish for lasting color and maximum protection against utensil damage. Designed to stay beautiful with daily use, Le Creuset's dinnerware brings elegant style to every table and occasion. Protected by a colorful, hard-wearing layer of enamel that resists damage from heat and utensils, Le Creuset's light, yet durable stoneware ranges are ideal for baking, roasting and serving. Le Creuset Stoneware offers a fresh modern take on our signature cast iron design, while the Heritage Collection features classic French styling patterned after vintage Le Creuset cookware. Because both stoneware ranges deliver the same superior functionality, quality, and performance from oven to table, the only choice you'll have to make is style.